Hello, I'm Gary Nelson with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you how we installed this coilover shock on this 68 Mustang that already had a 4-link conversion. Okay, the first thing we're going to do on our installation is we're going to measure the at-ride height length of the shocks so that we can determine the correct length shocks for the car. Our at-ride height measurement from bolt center to bolt center is 13 3/4. So what we're going to do is come over here in our catalog, and the last column is the at-ride height measurement. And so we come down here and we see that between 13.5 and 14 inches. And that means that it's going to be an AS 655. Okay, this shock has the 1/2-inch sleeves installed. We're going to install the 5/8 sleeves because this car has 5/8 bolts on the shocks. We've already installed the thrust bearings on this shock. The thrust bearings reduce the friction when you're adjusting the spring height, and this is what the bearings look like. We offer the thrust bearings as an option. It's ALD 26, and we've already installed it on our shock. Before we install our shocks, this is the rebound adjustment knob. So when the adjustment knob is in the full counterclockwise position, it is at the full soft position. When you rotate it clockwise, it will stiffen or make the shock more firm. We're now going to torque the bolts to 50 foot-pounds.